How to change color of an object on After Effects. Once you open After Effects, at the left corner you will see Effects and Presets. Click on it. Inside here under search, you want to click on search and search for LUM and you will see Lumitric color. Now what you need to do is drag and drop the object from basically this place over here. This is where you import all your video. So let's say this is the video I want to color. I need to drag and drop it on my timeline over here. Once it's dropped, I need to just drag and drop this Lumitric color on top of the video over here. Once I do that, at the top, you guys can see I get the Lumitric color effects. Now you can also control it from here or just below like your timeline. You can see this arrow. You can click on it and you can see the effects section. Click on it to open it and you will see Lumitric color. You can click on it to open it and you will get all the settings. You can click on basic to play around with like LUTs, or you can go to creative to play around with all this like creative intensity and stuff, or you can go around with color wheel and just like, you know, once your color wheel is activated, you can play around with that as well. Or HSL color, it's active, you guys can see, you can play around with it. Or you can always just play around with it from over here at the top from effect control. You can see over here at the bottom, like you don't get a lot of options, but at the top here, this is where the real game is. You can click on basic color correction. You get all these options to play around with, and like you can play around with all this different option to change the color of the object to whatever you want. Just make sure to drag and drop the effect on top of the thing you want to change, like the color of. All right, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.